everyone, welcome back to Tech World Tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how to reset and customize your TikTok For You page. So first of all, what is For You page? For You page is filled with videos assembled by TikTok algorithm. It is designed to present you the collection of the video that you would like and enjoy based on the behavior of you in the app. So to do that, first you need to go to the TikTok app and go to the search bar and clear the search history. Well, this will help you to reset the TikTok FU page. After clearing the search history, go to profile, which should be on your bottommost right corner, and click on the three dots or three lines, which should be on the topmost right corner. Go to settings and privacy and scroll down a bit. You'll see a clear cache. Now do that to reset. Now you have reset your TikTok For You page. Now how to customize it? So to do that, first you need to do is like on the video that you like. For example, I am going to like this video and not gonna like this video. I think I'm gonna like another dance video. You can also customize by just clicking not interested in the video that you don't like. So I'm going back to the previous one and hold the video and the menu will pop up. So there is an option of not interested. Click on that. By doing that, the video will not be shown to you and TikTok will catch on what you like and what you don't. So that is a way to customize your TikTok For You page. So that was the process of resetting and customizing your TikTok For You page. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do leave a like in this video and comment down any questions or suggestions. We will be posting similar kind of videos, so stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of our newest upload. But for now, thank you for watching the video.